आ गई हमें लेने के लिए ये जेनेसिस सेंटर में.
He can drive straight, right?
You don't mind?
Who can
Yeah,
drive?
I told him that. I
I
don't know if
said
that's,
you
Huh?
can drive straight, like
you don't mind.
Why?
like for you
Just
to
it's a
drive
brand new
my car in the city, I wouldn't be comfortable. But
Okay.
on the highway,
No
the
problem, Laura.
highway. No, you're not listening to me.
हाँ.
It's just
On the
a
highway,
newer
going
car.
straight is better
Okay.
Okay.
because going to Lake Louise, that's a big drive for me.
Okay.
That's a long ways.
I just want a new car.
Okay, I will drive on highway, no problem.
Yeah,
more
like to
features.
drive there
And
to come
listen,
back.
Laura, who used to drive in India, he can drive anywhere.
Yeah,
No
yeah.
lights, no stop sign,
Yeah,
no speed
kidding,
sign.
I know.
Only thing just has more features. This
But
car.
here,
Okay.
if something did happen, you
Huh?
would not believe how much the insurance
Yeah.
would go
Oh,
up.
yeah, I mean,
okay.
we can't afford that.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
You drive.
No,
No.
but I'm telling
Hmm?
you're not listening.
Hmm.
You're taking it personally.
No.
No.
There's nothing
Okay.
there.
No, there's nothing. There's a big jail there.
Oh, then we can see jail.
That's,
Canadian jail.
no, that's where our political prisoners
Yeah.
are.
Okay, then we will meet any minister there.
They're having big trials right now
Okay.
to try to get the political prisoners out.
तो ये देखिए ये है चलो फ्रेस्को चलो फ्रेस्को
What time is rush?
चलो फ्रेस्को और ये हम जा रहे हैं वापस घर को. एक्सरसाइज हो गई है जिम में
I'm
अच्छी
just
अच्छी
working on the house.
और अब घर जा रहे हैं घर. हाँ
Organizing things.
Just work on the house. Wow, ice park. That sounds. Wow, that sounds.
Where-
Have to check on
I
here
don't
to
know.
see how long.
Okay.
That'd be a nice trip.
That would be a big trip.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And this, I mean,
We
this,
have to go on a day that is not really hot. But we can go any day, so that would be good. We
let
can plan.
it is full day.
This would be like a huge day.
Okay.
Yeah, a full day.
We will
yeah.
plan like this that we go in the morning
Oh,
all
yeah.
day there, then when we come back we will meet Jazz in between, like when
Meet
we
Jazz where?
in hospital.
Oh, it doesn't have to be this week. We can go next. I want to go on a day where it's not hot, not
Okay.
too hot.
Because
Like 80.
until Jazz in hospital I do not want to go anywhere outside of the
Yeah,
city.
you can't go
Yeah.
right now.
Yeah.
So we can plan like this. We go from in the morning and we come back like near about 7 or 8.
Not right now.
No.
For a 3-hour drive, no, you wouldn't be back till 10, 11. So we don't go now.
Okay.
We can't go when you
Or
have
we can
restrictions.
go early in the morning like 8 or 9.
No, it's too long.
Okay.
In
As you
case
wish.
something happens, you're going to feel bad then if you don't make it back on time.
Okay.
And I don't want to have the pressure of kind of having to come back for a
Oh,
time.
okay.
So we go when you feel when Jazz is good, when you know Jazz is good, when we have the whole day and when it's not really
We
hot.
just
Okay.
take our time.
We will plan like this.
Yeah.
And then we
Or
can
we can plan next week.
Yeah, that's
will
what
be
I'm
better.
saying.
Yeah. A Rave 4 is also a good car, good looking and
Yeah, it's a
it is
Toyota.
4-cylinder, Kevin.
Yeah, come 4-cylinder. Yeah, that.
It is the same size which you have or some bigger.
Same size as.
You tell Laura, you know better.
Oh, yeah, I don't know nothing about cars.
That's a 4-cylinder.
Okay,
That's.
I like this
Yeah, that's.
because I think it will be also good on gas too.
Yeah, they're going gas.
I didn't know today's Friday. Today's Friday.
Yeah.
Wow. Where did the week go?
I said so.
It is Friday?
Yeah.
No.
I didn't even
Yeah,
know.
today's Friday.
I got in the car
Okay.
and went, what? Today's Friday.
So दोस्तों हम जिम से आ गए हैं. Now we are going to good home, sweet home.
Yes.
Better during the
Yeah.
week, so there's
Yeah.
not a lot of people on
Oh.
the road.
And why rush? We just take
Sunday?
our time. Yeah.
No, if we go during the week, so there's not a lot of people on the
Yeah,
road.
then, yeah.
And we
Go
can take
to-
our time. No.
Although right now the roads are all full, no matter
Yeah.
what day you go. But better during the week, even Monday. But we'll see what time.
Monday
see how
or
Jazz. We'll
Tuesday.
wait and see how Jazz
Yeah,
is.
first Jazz.
Yeah, I
chance.
gotta make sure it's on a day that I got physio, too.
Yeah.
So.
So देखो यहाँ पे.
So a lot of planning.
हाँ?
Yeah.
A lot of planning.
lot of planning हमारी.
Yeah.
You
there's
should
a lot
call
of
tomorrow and see if your fair pass.
Yeah, we can go Saturday.
But
It
I
is.
don't know if they're open.
They are open.
How do you know?
Pothole.
I know.
You already checked?
Yeah.
For
Uh,
fair Like the library's open, but I don't know about Fair Pass.
Okay, let me check. Then I will tell you. Maybe today I will check on their website and will tell you.
Yeah,
Because now my assessment is ready.
Yeah,
is this on Wi-Fi? Because I
No.
don't want it near my head.
So you might also bring your.
I don't have SIM in
Yeah.
this.
So you might also bring your thing laptop down and do more postings.
Today,
here,
yeah? We will watch.
No, you're going away, then.
At 4:30.
It's another 20 minutes,
Yeah.
half an hour.
He's gonna bring his thing down, his laptop.
To
Then
do
when
what?
you will come back, then
Do more postings.
Let Laura take rest.
He said when he comes back.
Okay.
Well, no, I'm just cleaning. That's all. I'm cleaning. I'm working on my
Yeah.
books.
Okay.
Cleaning, getting rid of Kevin's shit.
Kevin, you don't
Huh?
clean house?
Yes, I
Oh
saw
yeah,
bad,
he
Kevin.
does. No, he does a lot.
Oh, he does?
Oh yes, he does. Yeah. Now he does. Not before, but now he does.
But I still, it's hard.
Because I yelled at him.
No, I still vacuum. Just it's hurt on my leg. I just take my
Okay.
time.
He vacuums. He
I
does
pa-
the laundry.
I pace myself.
He does the dishes. The one thing he doesn't do is cook.
Mhm.
Very rare.
I just pace myself.
Kevin, I will share you one
Huh?
Indian cooking YouTube channel.
Uh-huh.
Someone's. You watch and follow
Uh-huh.
and make good dishes for Laura.
What's the
Like
dish?
aloo paratha,
What's that?
like gobi paratha, like
Yeah.
onion paratha.
Shandy onions.
Okay, then make her potato paratha.
Oh, potato. We got potatoes.
Okay.
Aloo means potato and
okay.
gobi means
Goat.
Yeah, go.
gobi.
Gobi, go. Okay.
Gobi means goat. No?
No goat.
Gobi means gobi. What's gobi? Cauliflower.
Gobi means cauliflower.
Gobi. Oh, Kobe means cauliflower. Kobe.
Gobi means gobi.
Am I saying right? Gobi or Kobe?
Gobi.
Gobi, cauliflower.
Sometimes you have short words in other language, like
Uh-huh.
cauliflower is
Yeah.
big word,
Yeah.
and
Gobi.
other word in Punjabi gobi.
Gobi,
Yeah, I like
cauliflower.
that one.
I like that. Gobi.
That's an easy one.
Gobi for cauliflower.
Yeah.
Gobi. Oh.
When you Laura, when you
What is
meet
broccoli?
broccoli, I do not know,
Oh.
and that is
Gobi.
green gobi.
Green gobi.
I was going to say, is it funny you have gobi, but you don't
Yeah.
have broccoli? That's
Yeah.
they kind
No,
of go
we have
hand-
gobi, broccoli there.
but you don't know the word.
Yeah, I don't know the word exactly,
Ah.
but you can say the green gobi.
Green gobi.
That,
Hari gobi.
that makes
Green
sense.
gobi.
That
Yeah.
would make sense.
Okay, because it seems similar like cauliflower.
Hey,
but
how
it is
come
good.
my thing
Green
isn't
gobi.
on? You don't have your seatbelt on. You know, it's
Mine?
not. Yeah.
Yeah.
My thing is not coming on.
Green gobi. Huh.
I think when in starting you put seatbelt and when you in between the road you unplug, then it starts shouting,
Isn't that weird?
beeping. Okay, तो
Yeah.
दोस्तों हम देखो ये घर के पास जा रहे हैं, sweet home, and now I teach Laura and Kevin new words.
Yeah,
Cauliflower, gobi,
Gobi.
potato,
Green gobi.
aloo.
We gotta make up our
Green
list.
gobi.
Yeah.
We need a Bristol board. to put
Potato
all the
means
words on.
aloo. When you
Hello?
go to your Jelina's, your daughter or son,
Green
you
gobi.
you
Oh.
tell them, okay, make gobi paratha.
Gobi Prada. What does Prada mean?
Paratha means bread type, like goa.
Bread. Oh.
The round bread.
Your mom made that for
Gobi
me
Prada.
one time.
Yeah.
Yeah, you came down with that. I remember that.
Ah, Gobi Prada.
Gobi Prada.
So Kevin, I will share you someone's
Yes.
YouTube
Uh-huh.
channel, and you follow and make every day new Indian dishes for Laura. She will like, okay?
Gobi Prada.
And whenever you make, record your video and post your video on
Okay.
YouTube, and you will be popular.
There's
Ah.
Both things.
People
Go-
will like it because they'll laugh at you. 'cause you're
Agora.
trying to
People
Huh?
will like a white person means Gora, okay?
Ah.
Agora is making gobi paratha.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm.
Gobi
And he's
Prada.
trying to speak Indian. and
India
they're gonna laugh
language.
at you.
People will laugh and follow you, Kevin.
Yeah.
Yeah. More and more. I shared yesterday a Russian girl's
Yeah.
YouTube channel. She married with an Indian guy, and you know how many subscribers she have? She have, Kevin, I think more than 830,000.
Wow, from
Yeah.
Russia. So she must went to India or he must have went to Russia. This guy.
Yeah, she is many. One guy is from Japanese. He speak Hindi. One
Yeah.
girl is from Germany. She married Indian guy. because India is a big industry for
Yeah.
online
Yeah.
market.
That makes
Lots
sense.
of like
Yeah.
100 billion people
Mm-hmm.
And
there
when
are.
is the best time period?
To post.
No, not
Huh.
not to post, to
Huh.
make. How much time? The best time to make. The
Means-
best, the many minutes. How many minutes should your video be?
Like 10 minutes, 12 minutes.
Oh, it doesn't
It's
matter.
enough, yeah.
I thought you were going to do shorter ones.
Yeah, it's shorter is more better, but when he will make gobi paratha, he needs time to record.
But shorter ones are better.
Yeah.
You can you can even practice your Indian language.
Languages.
You could just sit
Kevin,
there,
oh
point
Kevin,
the camera
Huh?
oh
and
Kevin,
Huh?
sit with me and speak Punjabi.
Ah.
Or go to Genesis Center.
I
There,
know.
there we have lots of our community people. You go and speak. Hello, ki haal hai? Theek thaak?
Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, there's a lot of people there today.
Yeah. You go and sit.
Yeah,
they
they
will
were still
they
there?
will be your good friends
Yeah.
when you speak Punjabi. You speak hello, ki haal, uncle.
Ah.
Here
What's
we
that?
call elder very often uncle, auntie.
Uncle. Oh, you say auntie?
Yeah, you go
Oh,
and
that's English.
hello uncle who have white beard.
Oh.
Go and ask hello
Oh.
uncle, ki haal hai?
Ah, Uncle Kiala.
Ah.
Uncle
Oh.
and auntie? Really?
Yeah.
That's Punjabi?
Yeah.
Uncle auntie.
So-
That's
Uncle, auntie.
English.
Oh,
No,
yeah.
no, you can say hello chacha. Chacha means uncle.
Uncle.
But
So,
they also say
Kia-
uncle.
Yeah.
They
Yeah.
also
So
say
hello
uncle.
Chacha or hello
Wow.
Kihala, hello
Ki haal hai,
uncle.
chacha?
Ah.
What you say?
Kia, hello cha cha cha.
Hello chacha.
Cha-cha-cha.
No
Ah.
chacha. Hello ਚਾਚਾ ਕੀ ਹਾਲ
Ah, hello cha cha Kia.
ਹੈਲੋ ਦੋਸਤੋ ਦੇਖੋ ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ
Oh,
ਕਮੈਂਟ ਕਰੋ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ
okay.
ਸਹੀ ਸਿਖਾ ਰਿਹਾ
Oh,
ਔਰ
hello,
ਯੂ ਕੈਨ
cha-cha,
ਸੇ
Kia.
ਤਾਇਆ ਤਾਇਆ means
Taya.
elder uncle
Oh,
Yeah.
so I would say Taya.
yeah
Hello Taya.
hello
Kiala.
ਤਾਇਆ ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਹੈ
Ah, hello Taya Tiala. Okay.
not tiala
I mean,
ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਹੈ
Kiala.
ਕੀ
Hello Taya Kiala.
we will
I
say
like that.
I am good okay ਮੈਂ ਠੀਕ ਹਾਂ
I like Tia.
I am
Hello,
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ
Yeah, I am Tika. Okay. Hello Taya Kiala. And they'll say Tika.
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ
Ah, I like that.
yeah
Hello Taya
and
Kiala.
every time when you go record your video and you will be popular you will be
Okay.
Gora Kevin oh you
Ah.
knew you Gora Kevin
Yeah, my spot.
And you can show your exercise.
Yeah,
on
exercise
there.
too.
People would like
yeah
that.
people like that Kevin Dick, every time we have you me we all go out but we have just record
Uh-huh.
your video and talk
Yeah.
as we are doing right now
Mhm.
nothing else special
Okay. Well,
We are not doing any special thing.
Today, let's pull up my thing. I want Canadian Kevin Guru
When you
Traveler.
come back,
I want.
yeah.
When I come back, could be
Canadian Gora
Where are you going?
I don't have
by
my
the way?
name.
hmm?
Canadian Guru
your
Kevin
name will
Traveler.
be Gora now
No,
white Gora means white
I should have my name.
okay
So,
Yeah.
Canadian Kevin
No, it's at Canadian Guru Kevin Traveler, or maybe just
We don't know what it is over
Yeah.
there. You have to look at
yeah. Baseball, we'll look it up and maybe could change it. We'll look it up, right?
okay when you
It's-
come back
it's-
then call
yeah,
me
we come back.
I will come
it. Where are you
It-
going, anyways?
me
No, my
Kevin.
thing from my cane.
he is going to
That's it?
Yeah.
yeah
That's not very.
with Raj
No. No, that's.
I don't know what he's doing.
he is parking
Oh, and then TD cashes check.
yeah
So-
$106
What?
No! Jesus, fuck. That
What
scared me.
happened?
I
That
thought he was
guy
going to
saying
back
that
up.
no
Oh, man, that
he was
scared me.
not she was driving
She wasn't a very good driver.
women are not good drivers
She was
always.
never a good driver. Like, I can wake up.
Ooh, don't say that. Uh-oh.
I'm not talking about you Laura
Look how far your brother parked.
Look,
yeah
why is it
Did
parked
you see
like
it?
that?
Yeah, I
He's-
saw.
No, out
He's-
from the curb, right?
he's-
right yeah
He's like a foot away.
Hmm.
You gotta be closer to the curb.
He had a note on his car the other
Yeah,
day.
he was blocking the neighbor's driveway. You can't be doing
he had
that.
note
Yeah,
Yeah.
there was a note on his car
okay
we
who,
saw.
who made
The
note
neighbor,
there?
he blocked his neighbor.
Blocking that driveway.
Blocking the driveway.
तो दोस्तों हम आ गए घर
Yeah.
तो अब जाते हैं नहाते हैं उसके बाद भैया फिर काम करते हैं लिस्टिंग बनानी है आज नई लिस्टिंग बनानी है ओके ओके कम
Yeah.
Canadian Gora Traveler
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Canadian.